I used the factory button in the door because I shaved all the door handles clearly, so I wanted to shave, excuse me, the gas cap, and I just relocated it into the tail light. You can see it in there. And I updated the tail lights, the back bumper, the wing. It's all 18 or 19. And the bumper too. Actually, it's the SRT bumper, and I have the Borla headers and exhaust. I don't know what year I got these mirrors from, but I just put those on and hooked up the blinkers, and I did all the clear reflectors. I did the starry night lights, and I color matched everything. They've already went out a couple times, and they had to return them to me. This is the longest run I've had on them. Knock on wood, they don't go out on me because the company's gone. And then I'm almost ready for the blower. I got to take the strut bar off. I got the gas adapters because it's 5/16 to ½ inch. But I worked that out pretty clean, pretty factory. I'll get the valve covers this week. I'll put the valve covers on. And once I get the valve covers on, I'll go ahead and put the plates, the pulleys, and the blower. We should be good to go. And I'll keep you updated.